In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then you need to click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add a video file, select Video section. Then tap on your video and wait. If you want to add an audio file, you can tap on this microphone at the bottom right corner, or on the same plus at the bottom left one and select Voice option. Then hold microphone icon to record your message and let go to save it and attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!